how to hide what game you are playing in Roblox. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can hide yourself from others, especially on what game you are playing. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply open or launch your Roblox application, and once your Roblox successfully launches, you need to click onto this more option at the bottom right. Once you will do this, you will see an interface like this. So simply scroll down and click onto the settings button. Now under settings, click onto privacy and content restrictions, and it will open a new set of page. Now from this particular page, simply click onto visibility and private servers, and under here click on visibility. Now under here you can see this particular option that says show current experience. So this particularly determines who can see like which particular game you are currently playing. So make sure you select that to no one, and no one will be able to determine which game you are playing. So that's how easily you can hide yourself from others on which game you are playing. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.